going to give you a walk around underneath this 85 300 TD. It really is an exceptional 123 for being 37 years old, particularly in the area of rust. Look at this as we roll underneath the jack point and the rocker panels. Look at how clean that is, and all up into the fender well. And this is the same on all four sides. This is really a cancer-free vehicle. Now let's talk about suspension. The suspension has been worked on over the years. You can see the shocks have been replaced, the upper control arms. We've got new brakes that I put on, including rebuilt calipers, rotors, new flexible brake hoses. And if we come underneath here, you can see that the lower control arm bushings and the ball joints are not showing any signs of deterioration. So the suspension, the brakes is excellent, including the flex discs and the drive line. I did replace the exhaust system with an original. That's in good condition. I replaced the oil pan because it was badly dented. I replaced one of the transmission cooler hoses, and I had to pull the transmission and replace the front seal, and that is a super dry transmission and rear main seal area. So this is a real clean diesel when it comes to oil leaks. But look at that belly pan. Look at how nice that is. Absolutely no signs of even any surface rust. Swinging over to this left side, take a look at the tires. Previous owner replaced those. They're still in very good condition, as well as the battery. And we look underneath here at the suspension, upper control arms. All that is real clean and tight in this car. Notice how straight the body panels are, looking down this right side and looking underneath that right rear fender. We have the same thing showing here, no rust. Even in this corner down here, which you often see rust right in that area because of drain leaks into the trunk area. And then if I roll underneath, you know, the rear end axles are very dry. You can see that that left axle has been replaced. And looking down underneath the rear here, once again, this is a super clean W123.